Love is a universal feeling, but building a connection that leads to true love takes effort and understanding. No shortcuts or tricks can replace the importance of being genuine, kind, and thoughtful. However, there are specific skills you can develop to make yourself more attractive and deepen emotional bonds. These skills help you become the kind of person girls admire and want to be around. In today's video, we'll explore 10 powerful skills that can help any girl fall in love with you, not through manipulation, but by showing your true value as a person. Let's dive in. Skill 1. Be a great listener. Listening is a cornerstone of any strong relationship. When a girl speaks, she wants to feel heard, understood, and valued. But listening isn't just about nodding along. It's about being fully present in the moment, engaging with what she's saying, and responding thoughtfully. When she shares her thoughts or emotions, put away distractions and focus on her. Show empathy by reflecting her feelings back to her. For example, if she's talking about a tough day, say, "That sounds really frustrating. How can I help?" When you actively listen, you create a safe space where she feels comfortable opening up. Over time, this emotional intimacy builds trust and affection. Skill 2. Confidence that radiates positivity. Confidence is one of the most attractive traits anyone can possess, but it's important to differentiate confidence from arrogance. Confidence means believing in yourself while remaining humble. Girls are drawn to men who are comfortable in their own skin and don't rely on others for validation. To build confidence, focus on self-improvement, set goals, achieve them, and celebrate your progress. Confidence doesn't mean boasting about your achievements. It's about quietly owning your worth. A confident man can walk into a room, make people feel at ease, and inspire admiration without trying too hard. Skill 3. Develop a sense of humor. Humor is a universal language of connection. Making her laugh can break the ice, create shared memories, and set you apart from others. But humor doesn't mean telling one joke after another. It's about understanding her sense of humor and sharing light-hearted moments. Be playful, tease her gently in a way that makes her smile, and show that you can laugh at yourself. When you associate yourself with joy and positivity, she'll naturally want to be around you more. Skill 4. Empathy is everything. Empathy is the ability to connect with someone on a deeper emotional level by understanding their feelings and perspectives. Girls value emotional intelligence in a partner. When she shares something personal, respond with kindness and understanding. Instead of rushing to offer solutions, sometimes just say, "I'm here for you." Showing empathy demonstrates that you genuinely care about her well-being. This quality not only deepens emotional connections, but also sets the foundation for a healthy and lasting relationship. Skill 5. Be passionate about life. Passion is magnetic. Whether it's your career, a hobby, or a cause you care deeply about, your enthusiasm for life makes you more interesting and inspiring. Share your passions with her and let her see the fire in your soul. At the same time, encourage her to pursue her own dreams and interests. Passionate people radiate energy and excitement, which naturally draws others toward them. When she sees your drive and dedication, she'll admire your ambition and want to be part of your journey. Skill 6. Communication is key. Strong communication skills are essential for building trust and understanding. Be open and honest about your feelings and intentions, and encourage her to do the same. Good communication involves not only expressing yourself clearly, but also being receptive to her thoughts and emotions. Avoid being defensive during disagreements and instead focus on resolving conflicts with respect and empathy. When she sees that you're willing to have meaningful conversations and work through challenges, she'll feel more secure and connected to you. Skill 7. Respect her independence. One of the most attractive things you can do is respect her as an individual. Girls appreciate men who encourage their independence and support their goals. Show her that you're a partner who adds value to her life without trying to control it. Celebrate her achievements. Give her space when she needs it, and never make her feel guilty for pursuing her own interests. Respecting her autonomy not only strengthens her feelings for you, but also builds a relationship based on equality and mutual respect. Skill 8. Be dependable and trustworthy. Trust is the foundation of love. If she can't rely on you, she won't feel safe opening her heart to you. Be consistent in your actions and words. If you make a promise, keep it. Show up on time, follow through on commitments, and always be honest. Trust takes time to build, but it can be destroyed in an instant. By being a dependable and trustworthy person, you'll create an environment where love can flourish. Skill 9. Master the art of thoughtfulness. Small acts of kindness go a long way in showing that you care. Remember important dates, surprise her with little gestures, and pay attention to the things she loves. For example, if she mentions her favorite snack in passing, bring it to her unexpectedly. Thoughtfulness isn't about grand gestures. It's about making her feel seen and appreciated in everyday moments. When she realizes how much effort you put into making her happy, she'll feel cherished and loved. Skill 10. Patience and emotional resilience. Love isn't something you can rush. Building a meaningful connection takes time and patience. Don't pressure her into making decisions or opening up before she's ready. Instead, focus on building trust and showing her your genuine intentions. Patience also means staying calm and composed during tough times. Life is full of challenges, and how you handle them can make or break a relationship. By staying resilient and supportive, you show her that you're a reliable partner she can count on. Winning someone's heart isn't about tricks or manipulation. It's about developing the qualities that make you a better person. By mastering these 10 skills, listening, confidence, humor, empathy, passion, communication, respect, trustworthiness, thoughtfulness, and patience, you not only increase your chances of winning her love, but also build a relationship that's based on mutual respect and admiration. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to The Stoic Inspire for more tips on relationships, personal growth, and self-improvement. Let us know in the comments which of these skills you think is the most important. And as always, stay wise, stay inspired, and see you in the next video.